Hi, to enable mini timer on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly swipe up to enable your app drawer and from here find Clock app. On the bottom of the display, make sure to choose Timer and then tap on three dots for more info and go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and find this feature Show Mini Timer, and if you would like to turn it on, then tap on the switcher so it will light up purple and just go back. After that, when you start a timer and go to your home page, you would see this mini timer appears right as a floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen, and you can drag it down to close, and you can also tap it to open app itself. So let's drag it to close. I'm gonna tap here to stop timer and show you the difference with disabled mini timer. I'm gonna start it again, and when mini timer is turned off, you won't be able to find this floating button on your screen. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.